Hello and welcome to this video wherein we'll be checking out this research extension and additional information for modifying the information. Now, in our previous video, that was video number 2, we did discuss how to add content to these three menu options, that is research, extension, and additional information. Now, if I click on this research option and I see that there are two options, add thrust area of research, display thrust area of research, similarly for research infrastructure as well, then similarly for externally funded projects as well. Now, let me start with by just going to display research infrastructure, and so that I can see whether I'm able to see what is listed over here and I'm able to update it. As you can see over here, the name of the lab is Fish Nutrition and Biochemistry Lab. Once I select it, the time I select it, it will show me what entries I have made to the different segments. It's Fish Nutrition and Biochemistry Lab. Then you are having complete details of it. Then you are having all the details. Let me change. I'll not I'll not modify any of the text over here. What I'll do is I'll modify the order. I'll modify the order from to 1. I'll click on update. And the information that will be displayed over here, that the whole list will be again available to me, which means that the updation has been done. Similarly, if I go to display page once again, I can go to research, I can go to display externally funded projects, and once I go to externally funded projects, as I'm not having any of the projects, so therefore it won't be listed. Or I can go for let me go for display research council approved projects, so that I can see how many projects are there. Now let's suppose you have got the number but you had not mentioned it earlier. Now once you select on this, let's suppose now you want to change this project code as RCM division and 1, and once you change it, I'll click on update. And this update will be done. And if you check out on the website also, see, initially I was having 3 projects with blank. Now if I refresh it, and if I see whether the change has been implemented or not, it will be visible over here. Research, now you can see that this has been changed, so it means updation is we are able to update the content. The similar will be the case for other options also. Like in extension, you are having add TV and radio talks. You can display them. Let's start with display TV and radio talks, as we don't have anything, so therefore list will be blank. So let me go back to the previous page and see how we can work out on this. We can see the technologies developed. We can display them. And once we display, we can click on any of the technologies, and then we can see and update the same. Right now I'm having a problem with respect to the permission over here, but slowly and gradually all these things will be fixed. So whenever you face a problem wherein it will show that permission is not given, then accordingly you can mention that. Now with respect to extension, you're having thrust areas of extension. You can display this also, and once you display, the procedure is same for research, extension, and additional information. My request over here will be that whenever you are changing any content, the first thing is that we should not keep on frequently changing the content, keep on frequently modifying the content. The reason for that is the information is pulled up somewhere else also. Like in case of research, once you write a research publication or make an entry of research publication over here, then automatically those entries are available on Directorate of Research page. Those entries are available on faculty page. Therefore, once you make a modification, the impact is all across. So the modification has to be avoided as much as possible in order to maintain the sanctity of the information that we are inputting. We have to be double sure. We have to ensure the correctness and accuracy of the information. So this video was about just an idea how we can add information to research, extension, and additional information. And whenever you see that there is anything wherein we can improve on, we can we'll be open to forward those suggestions to ERIS also, so that they can implement the same. One attribute which I did not discuss over here was home, that if you click on home button, how you will get information available on home button. Now do remember this home button is not available in pages. Now, as you can see over here, if I click on page and if I display page, as we have seen that whenever you write the name of any page, that page gets displayed and you change the content of that. Now, if I click on home, it's not available. So do remember this, please, that whenever you want to change the content of this home page, the time you click on this home, whatever content is available over here, if you want to change this, it will not be available in page, it will always be available in your division itself. So if you are having this divisional dashboard wherein you can open the page, wherein you can open the research, wherein you can open the extension, wherein you can open the additional information, you do have this button of select, means the information about the division. The time you click on this select button, you will see that this is faculty. You are not going to change it. Then this is the name of your division. You can change it. You can change the email ID of the head of the division. You can change the contact number if you wish. Then you can write the fax number. You can write the title of your division. You can write the subtitle of the division, and then you can write the text. And once you write the text, you can click on update, and the same will be updated. And if you wish, if you want that it should not be only the content, there should be documents also attached to it, like you can have divisional profile and all entities related to it, then what you need to do is you can add those documents, and accordingly those things will be displayed. Now, in case if you want to add certain photographs also, then you can click on gallery. You can first of all add a gallery category. Same, the procedure is same. Then you can add a photograph. Automatically, that photograph will be added and it will be displayed on your appropriate page. So the main objective of this video or the previous videos was to make you aware of how we can update the information on the page, how we can update information on research extension and additional menus, and then how we can update the contents on our home page. And apart from that, how we can manipulate or how we can use these links in order to give a hands-on information to students so that they can access information about division easily and from anywhere. Thanks a lot for patiently hearing, and I hope that this will help you in updating your divisional web page. Thank you.